Finding an electric golf cart that performs well without blowing your budget is easier said than done. Some look great on paper but fall apart on real courses, while others pack features you'll never use. This list breaks down the top 5 models that golfers trust for power, range, and reliable build quality at a fair price. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next videos. Let's check it out. Budget electric carts can be difficult to judge from a spec sheet. Some deliver impressive numbers but struggle during everyday driving. Others ride smoothly but come with hidden maintenance needs, and some look affordable up front but require expensive upgrades to feel complete. This breakdown removes that confusion. You'll get a clear, practical view of how each model performs in real use, what type of golfer or community rider it suits, and where it offers the strongest value. We'll start with the Denago EV golf cart, one of the most accessible choices for golfers and everyday casual riders who want a new electric cart without paying premium prices. Denago builds carts with simplicity in mind, which benefits both types of users. On the course, the lightweight design makes maneuvering around fairway paths, parking areas, and tight turns easier. For community riders, the compact frame fits well inside garages, sheds, or small parking spaces. The 48-volt power system is reliable enough for standard golf terrain and perfectly suited for flat neighborhoods or short-distance errands. Maintenance is one of Denago's biggest strengths. Because the design is straightforward, servicing stays affordable and uncomplicated, which appeals to golfers who use their cart regularly, as well as community riders who just want dependable daily transportation. It isn't built for steep hills or rough off-path terrain, but if you want a simple, trustworthy electric cart for golf, casual rides, or short trips around your property, the Denago fits naturally. Next, let's move to the Icon i20 electric cart, a model that serves both golfers and community riders extremely well. Icon has gained a huge following across the US because it delivers modern features at budget-friendly prices. Golfers appreciate the independent front suspension, which softens bumps on cart paths and rolling fairways. Community riders like the comfortable seating, smooth steering, and clean dashboard design for daily use. The hydraulic disc brakes are helpful when navigating downhill paths on the course or stopping safely in neighborhood traffic. The Icon i20 usually includes features that other carts charge extra for: LED lighting, mirrors, windshields, and a digital dash. Golfers benefit from improved visibility during early tee times, while community riders enjoy better safety on evening drives. Batteries require basic routine care, but overall, the i20 is one of the best balanced options for people who want a comfortable, modern electric cart they can use for golf, errands, or everyday personal transportation. Now let's talk about Evolution electric vehicles, specifically the Classic and Classic 4 models. These carts have become popular among both golfers and community riders for one main reason: lithium batteries. Lithium power gives golfers more consistent acceleration throughout a full 18-hole round, and it gives community riders enough range for errands, short commutes, and daily neighborhood driving without worrying about battery sag. The reduced weight of lithium also means less strain on the motor and smoother handling on uneven terrain. On the golf course, Evolution carts feel responsive and composed around tees, greens, and fairway paths. For community riders, the compact size and easy steering make them convenient for navigating residential streets. Evolution offers strong value at a low price, and because the carts accept common accessories, golfers can add sand bottles, coolers, or extra storage, while community users can install rear seats or extra cargo solutions. Evolution fits buyers who want the best technology possible without stepping into premium pricing. Now we come to the Bentelli Beyond electric cart, which is designed for dual-use owners who want a cart that performs well on the golf course but also excels as a neighborhood transportation vehicle. Golfers enjoy the Beyond because of its smooth acceleration and stable handling, especially when carrying two bags and navigating gentle hills. Community riders appreciate that it includes many street-legal features standard, making it one of the easiest carts to use on public or private roads. The Bentelli Beyond delivers around 30 to 35 miles of range per charge, which is ideal for golfers who want to play a full round, visit the range, and still have enough power left for the drive home. Meanwhile, community riders get a dependable, comfortable vehicle for daily travel within residential areas. The Beyond is a great fit for people who want one cart that can serve both purposes equally well, golf on the weekends and community transportation during the week. Finally, let's take a close look at the Vivid EV V4, one of the newest but fastest-growing budget-friendly electric carts in the U.S. market. What makes the V4 appealing to golfers is its smooth, quiet ride and strong acceleration thanks to its AC motor system. It handles rolling golf course terrain confidently, and the lighter chassis helps with maneuverability around tees, greens, and narrow cart paths. For golfers who play frequently, the V4 offers a comfortable seating position and a predictable driving feel that stays consistent even toward the end of an 18-hole round. For community riders, the Vivid EV V4 delivers modern styling, responsive steering, and a range that comfortably covers daily errands, neighborhood travel, and short recreational trips. The lithium battery setup gives dependable performance even when the cart is used multiple times per day. The V4's interior is clean and minimal, making it easy for both golfers and community riders to adapt to. It's a strong fit for anyone who wants a newer, modern-looking cart that balances performance, comfort, and long-term reliability without the premium price tag. Bringing all 5 models together, the right choice depends on how you plan to use your cart. Golfers and community riders both have strong options here. The Denago EV is best for simple golf rounds and short community trips at the lowest cost. The Icon i20 blends comfort, features, and modern styling for golfers who want smoother rides and for community riders who use their cart daily. Evolution carts stand out for owners who want lithium batteries and excellent value, whether on the fairway or on neighborhood streets. The Bentelli Beyond is ideal for people who want one cart that performs well on the course but is equally suited for street-legal neighborhood use. And the Vivid EV V4 offers one of the best modern designs and driving experiences for golfers and community riders who want a fresh, well-balanced electric cart. 5 carts, 5 different strengths, designed for golfers, community riders, or anyone who wants a practical, reliable electric ride. Once you understand what matters most to your daily use, whether it's course performance, comfort, hill climbing, battery life, or long-term durability, choosing the right model becomes far easier. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming reviews. And tell me in the comments which cart fits your needs best, whether you play golf, drive around your community, or just want a reliable electric ride. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.